Alright, so we got a Series S. Apparently they did the HDMI themselves. Can't see anything, but still doesn't work. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get anything, at least power. We have power, so no image. So get it rolling.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So here's our culprit. I think you can probably spot what the issue is. He said he did have issues with the solder not getting hot enough. I get it. So we're gonna fix this up for him. That's how you want it. Pretty good. That's all it was. All right, let's give it back. I'm recording, by the way.
Good.
You ready?
Yeah, break the news, bro.
You're good.
Okay.
You're good. Let's plug it in, test it out, make sure everything's good. You need a hot air station, man. So get a hot air station if you do want to do this next time. All you needed, bro. And then the rest is a little bit technique, I'm not gonna lie.
All right.
No, that was bad. That was bad.
There you go.
That was good.
It was a pleasure, brother.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
And if you guys need personalized tech assistance in the Central Florida area, you can go ahead and reserve your appointment today for just $75 of my time for the first hour.